Okay.
8 legs.
Spider.
Yep. People like to fry them in the South, and they come from creeks.
Chicken?
No, the creeks.
Alligator.
No, they live in creeks.
Crawfish.
Yes. Pass. Oh, quack, quack, quack.
Duck.
Yep. Okay, kind of like the prairie dog. They live in a thing, but they're bigger, and they live more in the east or Midwest, right? And the golf course, right? They there's the the
Beavers.
No,
Caddyshack.
Caddyshack. There's this animal that pops up.
Oh. Groundhog.
No.